Hey friends, I'm just about to do a batch of yogurt and I thought I'd share this recipe with you. This is actually a different kind of strain, microbe. Some call it yogurt, but it's Lactobacillus reuteri. And reuteri is a superstar in the world of intestinal microbes. And you might be thinking that you're supplementing with a probiotic, but obviously these days they are not as powerful as we would like, and with all the negative coffee, chlorinated water, etc., we've got a host of bombarding negative towards those microbes. So I've been making yogurt on and off for a long time in my Thermomix, but I've just experimenting with this new culture that I have got, which I'm just going to add to this glass jar and do a very quick talk you through this, get every little piece out of that. And I've just added 2 tablespoons of oat flour, which I've just milled up in my Thermomix as well. You can get Inulin. There's a couple of different things that you can actually get as a prebiotic, because it needs to be mixed with this strain to feed on. This is a particularly long ferment, so where we would do some normal yogurt might only go for around 12 hours. This one's 36 hours. So what I'm going to do here one-handedly, while I've got my phone in my hand, is just mix this in. Now you don't want to blend it, because apparently you can kill it. It's can be shredded up. I will put a video underneath for you to check out, and a couple of links so you can see the goodness of this particular fermented food and just how it may be a life changer, a bit of a game changer, I should say. I am going to start giving it to my dog. She gets a little bit of anxiety around storms, and I've tried a few different things, but I actually read the other day that it does help with our pets and calming them. It does help with our own mood, and not only that, a ton of other things. So that's about as easy as it is. Just make sure that there's no lumps. I'm just going to pour that in now. There's just a bit of the oat flour there. That ends up becoming the thickener anyway. And I'm going to pop this on and do on reverse, a little stir. Now all that was, as I say, is a litre of full cream, long life milk, a couple of tablespoons of oat flour, and my little cultured pack sachet, which of course after we do one batch we are able to reserve a couple of tablespoons and do it again. So what I've got is 12 hours, and I would recommend that you do this at a good time. I will start it up, but before I go to bed I am going to just check on it that it doesn't wake me up in the night. And if you've got 12 hours, you look at it now, okay, if it's 6 o'clock, it's going to ring at 6 in the morning, and that's fine because I'm up then and I can then set the timer on for another 12 hours. So your Thermomix will go a maximum of 12. You do want to reduce it to the 37. 37 is the best temperature, and then you can begin the process. Now it will do a bit of a mix. No, it's not going to today. Has done before. Let's just park that. It's all right. And I'll just do a slight mix on reverse, just to make sure that some of that oat flour is combined and not sink to the bottom. So that's pretty gentle, as long as we don't blend. All right, then we'll go back. Let's go back. off we go. And I'll put down the results. Well, I guess I can't do that here. I'll put on my socials a picture of the finished product when it's done, how rich and thick it comes out. Hope you'll give this a try, do some of the research and check out this amazing microbe.